Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Ipsita's Kitchen Cook, Eat, Repeat. Thank you for tuning in. Today I am going to prepare soft and spongy dhokla. Let's check out the ingredients. All the ingredients list are given in the description box. Before making the batter, sieve the basin properly to avoid lumps in the batter. Then add green chillies, grated ginger, salt and hing, powdered sugar or granulated sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients very well. Then add lemon juice and mix it well. Add little amount of water and make a lump-free batter. While whisking the batter, whisk on only one side, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Don't do it in both the sides. Add little amount of refined oil and mix with rest of the batter very well. Here I have taken 1 drop of food color mixed with 2 teaspoons of water. Add little amount of food color in the batter and mix it very well. Do not use haldi because it reacts with baking soda. It will give dark patches in your dhokla. So if you want to use food color, it's totally optional, but do not use haldi. After mixing it continuously, you will find lot of bubbles in the batter. Rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the karai. Take water in a karai and place a stand and let it boil for 5 minutes. For making tarka, add oil, hing, mustard seeds, wait till it crackles, green chillies, few curry leaves and saute till the curry leaves and green chillies are little golden in color. Then add sugar, lemon juice and water and wait till the sugar melts. Let's prepare the cake tin or the bowl for steaming the dhokla. Add very little amount of oil and brush the oil very well in the bowl or cake tin. After 20 minutes, you will find more bubbles in the batter. It's completely fermented and ready. Add 1 teaspoon ENO. It should be unflavored, or 1 teaspoon baking soda. Add ENO just before transferring the batter to the cake tin or bowl. You need to be very fast after adding ENO. Mix the ENO very well with the batter. While mixing, you will find that the consistency of the batter has turned little flowy and its consistency has turned out to be a ribbon-like. It's perfectly ready. Transfer the batter in the cake mold or bowl and slowly tap the bowl to remove air bubbles, and carefully place the bowl in the boiling water and wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. The water should not reach above the half of the container. It is completely cooked. Remove from the karai slowly and demold it. Cut it into your desirable shapes. I have used a little amount of oil in the knife so that it doesn't stick with the knife. Soft and spongy dhokla is ready. After cutting into desirable shapes, pour the tarka over the dhokla pieces, and you can also add some chopped coriander leaves. Now it is completely ready to be served with some tamarind chutney or with some grated coconut. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share.